Here at Coin Study, we bring you the fascinating stories and real market values of rare and historical coins. Today, we are diving deep into one of the most intriguing pieces of California's gold rush era, the 1876 California fractional gold coin, specifically the octagonal half-dollar type. This tiny yet historically significant coin tells a big story, and if you own one or are planning to collect, this guide will help you understand its history, how to identify it, and what it's worth in today's auction market. Back in the mid to late 1800s, California faced a shortage of small denomination coins. To solve this problem, private minters began producing fractional gold coins, in $quarter-dollar, half-dollar, and $1 values. Although private minting was officially banned in 1864, production continued unofficially for several more years. By 1876, these coins were still being made in small quantities, and today they are considered rare collectibles, especially the octagonal varieties, which stand out for their unique eight-sided shape. The octagonal half-dollar from 1876 is a tiny coin, measuring around 10 to 11 millimeters and weighing less than 1 gram. The obverse side often features an Indian head portrait facing left, with the date 1876 below it. On the reverse, you will find a wreath encircling the denomination, usually marked as 1/2 D or half-dollar, along with the letters Cal, representing California. Many of these coins were later used in jewelry, which means a lot of surviving examples show mounting marks or light damage from being set into pins, pendants, or charms. One of the biggest challenges for collectors today is spotting genuine pieces versus fakes or modern reproductions. Many replicas and souvenir copies are still circulating online. Authentic coins have very fine, sharp lettering despite their age, and they always show a correct denomination on the reverse. Their size is also a giveaway, they are incredibly small compared to a regular cent or dime. Collectors often refer to these coins by their Bringilio, BG, catalog numbers, which help identify the exact variety, such as BG 935, BG 949, or BG 951. So, how much is a real 1876 octagonal half-dollar worth today? For a circulated coin in fine condition, meaning it shows moderate wear but retains clear major details, the current auction market generally places its value between $250 and $400 US. Common varieties will lean towards the lower end of this range, while rarer varieties or pieces with better eye appeal can push higher. If your coin has noticeable damage, such as bends, cleaning marks, or old mounting spots from jewelry, its value can drop closer to $150 to $225. On the other hand, coins certified by reputable grading companies like PCGS or NGC tend to sell for higher prices because their authenticity and variety are guaranteed. High-grade examples, particularly those in mint state condition, can sell for several hundred to a few $1,000s depending on rarity. For instance, some 1876 octagonal half-dollar varieties in uncirculated condition have achieved over $1,000 at major auctions. But even a fine-grade piece, the type most collectors encounter, remains a solid collectible with steady demand. If you plan to sell or showcase your coin, presentation is key. Take clear close-up images of both sides, highlight its octagonal shape, and show its size next to a ruler or a modern coin for comparison. Mention any visible marks honestly because transparency builds trust among collectors and potential buyers. If possible, provide its BG variety number, as collectors often look for specific types to complete their sets. These coins are valued not only for their gold content but also for their historical significance. They represent a unique period in American history when small gold coins kept commerce flowing in California during and after the gold rush. Each one is a miniature artifact, carrying the story of frontier shops, saloons, and bustling San Francisco streets of the 19th century. Today, owning a genuine 1876 California fractional gold octagonal half-dollar in fine condition means holding a piece of that history in your hand. It's a small treasure with a market value of a few $100s and a story worth far more. For more rare coin guides, detailed values, and expert insights, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to Coin Study so you never miss an update on the fascinating world of coins.